What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to do a little walk around on a 1964 Impala. This one here is a 305 under the hood with the AC setup. Looks like we also have power steering. Pretty clean car all the way around. We're going to be doing a test drive video here shortly. This video we're going to walk around, point out any kind of flaws, chips, scratches in the paint. If I see rust, any issues, I will let you know. We got close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Be sure to check that out. Also have financing, shipping, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories on that website. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Also help us out by sharing this video. And let's get started. Coming around the front end, looks nice and clean. The grill's shining up. The bumper's not brand new. You can see it still has some little bit of issues here and there, light scratches. Looking down the side, it's fairly straight. I'm going to start on the lower portion, come back to midsection, and hit the top. Coming up around the fender. Check the bottom of these doors. We got some cracking in the paint right here. You do have some chips as you get in and out of your car. That's where people are kicking the panel there. Check the trunk here shortly. Doesn't look too bad. Because of where the sun is and where my shadow is, I'm gonna start back in the front again instead of trying to avoid my shadow the whole time. All right, so coming down the midsection here. This car's in great condition. There's a little chip here in the corner of the door. Now the top section. Trim's in great condition, as well as the roof looks awesome. It's gonna need some weather stripping. It looks like it's dry rotted around the windows. Mirrors have been replaced. They're nice and clean looking. Same with the door handles. Front windshield's in great shape, as well as all the trim around it. Coming around this back side, dual exhaust out the back. Back bumper's in great condition. Pretty much the same as the front. It does have some little bitty scuffs, minor stuff. It's just not brand new. We're gonna do the same thing down this side, and then we'll go pop the trunk. Got some chips in the corner of your door there. Also got a chip there on the bottom of your panel. A few little marks been touched up there. Coming back down this midsection. Got some little spots here in the trim. Now down the top section. Little spot there. Couple little touch-up marks there. It's a crack in the paint here. All right, made it all the way around this car. Let's go ahead and grab those keys and open this trunk up, and then we'll check this interior out. I'm ready to take it down the road. I don't know about y'all. This is a 4-speed car too. I failed to mention that. I'll just put that in the title. Ignition key opens the trunk. Look at the skirts we got in there. Looks like some insulation extra. Light water's been getting in here apparently because, oh yeah, it's moist. It's moist, guys. Everybody's favorite word. Weather stripping's been in here a little while. It's not too bad. But you can see it's kind of crumbling a little bit in certain areas. Try to figure out where this moisture's coming in. I don't see any runs coming down the fenders. It's on this side too. It may be coming down that fender because it looks like it's bundling up there. Bundle here's the same way. Just a little bit. Be careful, man. All right, definitely getting some moisture up under there. We're gonna have to dry her out. We'll do that right after the video. After the test drive, I'm taking it down the road first, send it back to clean up, get her cleaned out. Let's look up at this package tray. It's in great shape, solid, looks good. Spare tire up in there. Some old leaves out of there before I shut her down. Comes down pretty easy. It's shut. All right, let's head on to this interior. Door panel over here looks great, in good shape. Checking the jams, looking up under the door. Carpet looks decent. It's been in there a little bit. It's still in good shape. Seats, look at that. Fancy. Headliner's great. All right. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Another thing, people ask, how does this car smell? I'm trying to give it an explanation in here. It's not moldy. It's not. It smells kind of like a store. It's not bad at all. The best thing I can come up with. It smells like a store. It smells like you walked in Marshall's. All right, let's start her up. Tach's not hooked up. Need to hook that up. Radio's jamming already. It's coming from somewhere. I'm not 100% sure where. All right. So I jumped off in the car a second ago and the radio was playing. So the radio does work, but it's up under the seat. How weird. It does work. Works good. And she starts up good. Go ahead and hit the horn here. You know it works. Of course, that's not gonna work. I don't know why I did that. The tack's not cutting on. Wipers? They work. I can show you the mileage. I can't stand behind it in a 64 model. 43,000 is what it's showing. Let's try the fan. Ooh, it is working. Let's see if we can get that. We'll check that compressor and see if it's running. I think it just kicked on, so it should be blowing. And it is working good. Motor's nice and quiet. Insulation's kind of messed up under here. We did have some extra in the trunk, especially that centerpiece. It is in the trunk there. There we go. Got a little spot here right in the middle of the hood. Okay guys, now we're gonna go ahead and get some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up here at the front, go all the way around the car, and you can check out close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Let's look up under this one. Okay, check out maplemotors.com, get that financing set up. You can get your shipping set up for all the people that are out of state. Give us a call. We're all family, been here 38 years. And watch that test drive video. I'm getting ready to jump in this car, take off down the road, and point out some more flaws on running and driving wise. I do enjoy y'all sharing my videos. It helps us out greatly, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Got plenty to do this week. Talking 15 cars. Let's knock them out. About that time. Let's get it.